Hey guys, welcome back. So we're just in the van real quick. This is a quick little update. I want to get my solar panel, my 200 watt hooked up. So I thought I would bring you guys with me. I was just going to hook it up and then show you guys after or in another video. But I figure we'll just take you guys with me and we're going to hook it up. I got some wire, so we're going to pull this out of the package and strip it down and install it with some fancy dancy ferrules. We'll torque everything down and we'll turn it on. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. I've got my other phone here. The solar controller is hooked up still, so we're gonna basically just turn it off. We're just gonna flick the switch. Makes a big clang sound. Voltage drop. Solar power is off. We're pulling in, we're drawing 5 amps, which means both the fridge and the freezer are on. But that's not a big draw, so we're just gonna flick the switch. Now everything is off. Everything's disconnected. Fridge is off. The only thing connected right now should be the shunt. The shunt is the only thing connected. That's because I've got the power wire for the shunt connected here, which is before the switch. So let's get into it. That's pretty much it. Everything's hooked up. I got my third smart solar controller hooked up, which is connected to the 200 watt. So let's flip everything on. Everything should light up just as expected. Everything starts beeping. The freezer comes back to life. Okay, as expected, we've got a fourth controller hooked up, so we're gonna set it up. I'm gonna put my password in, change the password, and I'll show you what I've successfully paired it. And then what we're gonna do is, it's hooked up, but we haven't enabled it yet. But we're gonna set up the network first. So we're gonna go into the options, and then we're gonna go to VE Smart Networking at the bottom. You'll come up with this. Now, if you don't have a network, you create one, but I'm gonna join mine because I already have one. It's going to come up with Spiike. I'm going to click OK. Network has successfully connected. It shows up that we've got 3 solar controllers connected and we've got a smart shunt connected as well. I've got to go through, change all my settings to these batteries that are specific so that they don't overcharge them and all that fun stuff. Okay, I've got it all updated. Now let's go turn it on. All right, it's starting to load up. Got one in bulk and the other in bulk. One's bringing in 3.1 amps. The other one's bringing in 1.5 amps. So far, so good. I mean, we're fully charged. This should definitely maintain the battery for sure. And if you load it up, it will actually say the combined load network of 66 watts output. That's pretty cool. Well, it's just a short little video. I just wanted to showcase my little solar setup, and it's finally complete. I'm so excited. I can hook up a total of 1,000 watts to this system. Obviously, I'm not going to be carrying around 400 watts solar in the van because there's no space for it. But when we're pulling it around the trailer, I have space in the trailer. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I know it was kind of short, but hopefully pretty soon we'll actually have some more exciting, cool stuff. So we'll see you guys later. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.